Good afternoon, geographers. I'm coming to you from downtown DC, and as you can see behind me, it's the Peace Corps headquarters. If you haven't ever heard of the Peace Corps before, it's an American organization that sends volunteers to a bunch of different countries all over the world for a variety of projects that they need help with. So that's a very, very simplified definition, but for me, I had applied way back when I was finishing my grad school degree at K-State, and I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do next, but I'd met some people that had been in Peace Corps and they said it was a great experience, so I thought, why not? I'm gonna try it. It'll get me overseas, have some, and I'm sure it would be an interesting experience. I get to learn another language. It all sounded great, and honestly it was. I know that's a simple answer, but the things that you learn in Peace Corps are really going to be hard for me to describe in a short video, but some of the things I still feel like I'm picking up lessons that I learned along the way. I got to be in a small place all by myself. It caused me to really rely on myself for a lot of things, be creative, be resourceful. I got to learn another language. I met amazing local people and amazing other volunteers that I'm still friends with today, and it just was an incredible experience that allowed me to have 2 full years of being in and immersed into another culture, another country, and then afterwards I did a lot of traveling, which I'll talk about later. But if you haven't looked into Peace Corps and you're kind of at a point, there's no age limit, so you're always open to try, but look into it. It really was an amazing experience, and yes, it's 2 years, but I wouldn't change a thing. So that's my message for the day. Have a good afternoon and evening.